Hello everyone, it is day 6 and we spent a really nice night, except for the bugs, but well. So today we're gonna go back on the trail, the Trans-America Trail. So we are here in Milltown, the little campground. So we're right on the trail here, and we're gonna be heading west to finish the subsection, section 4 on my chart. I'm going, numbers are going down, not up. So yeah, usual, same drill. Crystal, are you ready?
Good morning.
Oh, and happy birthday, Crystal.
Thank
That's
you.
Crystal's birthday. So let's see if we can find a.
Got my birthday shirt on.
Yeah, yeah, nice. So we'll try to find a. Yeah, let's try to find a nice place, a restaurant to have a cake. We need a cake, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's do that. But first, let's eat some dust. Yeah.
See you
Okay,
soon.
there you go. Let's go. We just crossed one like flooded area here, and there is another one, and this one is much worse. It looks pretty deep. So yes, more water, and yes, the first section looks kind of okay, but the second one right after that looks really deep. You can see that with the plants, like how low they are in the water. It's pretty mushy soil. So yeah, we'll find a bypass way again. We finally made it to Badlands National Park, so we're gonna keep going on this road and then hit the paved road. And I found on IOverlander some campsite. We're gonna check them out. Time to stop. I think we're both tired. That was a long day. Okay, just try not to drop my phone in the cow thing here. Good. And yeah, I don't know about the storm. I hope that's not like a huge tornado, like category 6 or 7. I don't know. Yeah, we're doomed. Okay, well, let's keep going. The storm is storming. It's quite a big cloud, but we found a nice spot on IOverlander. And it is quite a view. Very nice. So we're done for the day. That was a long day, so I think we're just gonna chill out, eat, and then pretty good. Oh, it's windy now. Go to bed early because it's exhausting. So good night, everyone. Well, the rain is here and the storm too, right above us. But we put our awning up. Krista is done with hers, and I just put mine up, so we are good and ready for the rain. Yeah, it's nasty. Lots of lightning. Anyway. so I am in the Jeep. The storm was really bad, and so we had to move the Jeeps. We were by the cliff, and that was not a good idea at all. I mean, the wind burst was really strong, so I got a little paranoid. So took the awning back down. As fast as I put it up, there was a little calm before the storm. Another one is coming up now. So we also put crystal awning back up. One of the two bent, but I don't think it's too bad. So now the Jeep are away from the cliff, which is definitely a better idea. And so I'm in the Jeep. I'm sitting on the driver's side, and this is my living quarters. It's kind of a mess because I throw everything in the Jeep. We had like 15 minutes to take all the awnings down and move the Jeep, so just throw everything in the Jeep and I'll clean up everything tomorrow. So this is where I'm going to spend my night, and I'll probably edit some video, and Crystal is chilling in her camper there. So it's all good, but yeah, kind of scary to be in such a strong storm at the top of the mountain. I mean, lightning hit like right by us, so it was pretty impressive. So anyway, so chilling, but I had time to get out of the cooler in the back. So yep, have a drink, some pretzels, because that's all I have for tonight. So it'll be I don't know, like a snack-ish type of dinner. And I see the lightning in the rear view mirror here, so it's all around. So anyway, good night everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow when it's hopefully stopped raining and weather is nicer. Cheers!